All right, so we're greasing the deck on this KIOTI riding mower, and it's got a fitting on the back here that's a little bit tricky to reach because of the belt that's right behind it. So we're gonna show a couple of our adapters here. This is our push-on 90-degree adapter. Great for really tight spaces because it can slide on from the side of the grease fitting. Like all our adapters, it's got a Zerk in the back. So I'm gonna clip that into our LockNLube coupler there. Nice tight fit. And now we've got our adapter to slide onto the side of that Zerk. Let's give it a shot. So I've got my fitting there. I'm gonna slide on from the side and push until I'm pretty much locked in there. Now with this adapter, you can see it's got a little play. So I'm gonna try to hold it so I keep a 90-degree angle to line up the pin that's gonna let the grease out of the adapter and the ball bearing on the top of the fitting. All right. Feels pretty good. And now to pull it off, it takes a little bit of pressure to do so because it does lock on there pretty tightly. There we go. So that was the LockNLube push on 90. Now we've got our more traditional 90-degree adapter. Spring in the collar is hiding the grease fitting inside, which connects to the LockNLube. So nice tight fit there. Collar secures it in place. This ring adjusts the pressure on the jaws. So to get it onto that fitting, I'm gonna loosen it a couple turns. Don't take it all the way off or the jaws will fall out, but get it a little loose there. And now I can put it on the fitting and not worry about clearing that belt on the other side. So here I'll find my fitting, put it on there, nice and easy. Twist that down to lock it on. So now it's got a good snug connection. Give it a couple pumps. There we go. Well greased. And now I don't want to crack it off to the side because I don't want to break that Zerk, so I loosen this ring and the adapter comes right off. And just like that, we've got our fitting greased. And now, easy as that, disconnect it. And we can go grease the rest of the mower. The rest of the fittings are out in the open, easy to get to.